This video is to reinforce what you've seen before. With a right mouse button click on any column header. Right mouse button click and we can best fit for all columns, which makes it a whole lot easier to see all of our line items in the table view with their descriptions and of course then all of our WBS properties. A couple other things to be aware of here is that you can reorder the columns in the order that you prefer. So as an example, let's just say for this case, I want to drag bid package over. Go ahead and park that just to the left of view format. And as I slide on over, I could also bring up some other ones. In my example also, I could actually clean up a little bit of this. So everything's alternate status is base bid and alternate. I can grab a column header, and as I move it into the center of the screen or anywhere other than the column header itself where I get the pinchers, I can go ahead and just release that and hide it for the time being. You can do the same thing with, say, alternate name, and then the assembly item. And just for this case, I can also take out the alternate unit format 1, alternate unit format 2, alternate unit format 3. Master format levels 1 and 2 are looking nice here. Always go ahead, take unit format over 2, 1 over, and continue over, grab CSI level 1, and now I have these two together. And then finally, I grabbed unit format level 2 and parked it next to 1 and 3. We have them in somewhat of an order. Obviously, I could always bring master format to the front, in front of unit format if I wanted to have everything in an alphabetical order. One final piece to be aware of, again, this is reinforcing the right mouse button click context menu. As I select on a column header, I can also go ahead and select show column chooser. So all of the column headers that I had dragged out and received a red circle with an X, was to simply hide those at the moment, but they do still reside.